Baba Maharaj is a great one, said to have been alive for thousands of years, dwelling in various caves in the Himalayas, appearing sometimes among men to accomplish some particular goal, but always watching over the welfare of mankind from the sidelines. Though many people saw him in both the 19th and the 20th century, his appearance was always that of a young man in early manhood. He was tall and slender with a noble and dignified appearance, and in nature was humble, kind and childlike. His complexion was light and his hair sometimes worn long and sometimes short. Details of his appearance varied even when he was observed by several people at the same time. He spoke little and seldom ate unless given food by devotees. He never slept, and when on the move, he walked very fast. His appearances and disappearances were always sudden and unexpected. He had great strength of body and was often seen lifting huge rocks. Sometimes he was seen with several Tibetan lamas, and in fact Babaji was often seen wearing a shirt and Tibetan cap over his head. He spoke a mixture of many languages including Nepali, Hindi and Kurmachal languages. Whenever he talked to anyone from a particular region of India, he spoke to them fluently in their own native language. Nobody knows when he was born or where. He had all the known siddhas, yogic powers, and occasionally performed miracles in a natural way according to the circumstances at hand. But mostly people were drawn to him because of the bliss they experienced in his presence. Narration of Govardhan Pandit, Haldwani. Pandit Govardhan, as a small boy of about 8 to 10 years of age, had been playing with Babaji in his previous form when he used to stay at Kadgariya Ashram near Haldwani. He had seen Babaji doing Panchagni Tapasya, wherein Babaji would make the boys pile around him wood to a height of 6 feet, and after lighting the fire, he would sit in meditation in the center. After hours of burning, when the fire subsides, he would come out of it glowing with luster. One day at Kadgariya Ashram, another very aged saint started living with Babaji. This saint was being called Lama Babaji. He had a flowing beard and very attractive complexion. Both Babaji and Lama Babaji would sleep together and would take food in the same plate. They were always together and went on yatra also together. After the disappearance of Babaji, when Govardhan Pandit was going to the bazaar in Haldwani, sometime in the year 1970, an old man wearing a shirt and pajama confronted him and asked how he is not recognizing him. When Govardhan asked him his age, he told it is 150 years. From his voice and facial expression, Govardhan immediately recognized him as Hadikhan Babaji. He offered to take him to a tea shop, and while in the tea shop, he found that Babaji suddenly disappeared. Later, when Govardhan heard of Babaji's public appearance in Hadikhan, he went there to have his darshan. There he recognized Babaji in his beautiful form, characteristics, and marks, which he had seen on the body of Babaji in his old form also. There Babaji asked him why he had not yet learned to read and advised him to read the book Divyamritu. All of a sudden, Govardhan found that he could read and write. Govardhan is quite aged now and is still living in his house at Haldwani near Kadgariya Ashram.